Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Chevrolet Cruze service light. First, ensure your vehicle is completely stopped and the gear lever is in park. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the menu button, which is usually on your turn signal lever or steering wheel, and press it to bring up the vehicle information display. Once the display is active, use the up and down arrows, often found on the turn signal lever or steering wheel, to scroll through the various vehicle information options. Continue navigating until you clearly see the remaining oil life, or oil life percentage, displayed on your screen. This specific setting is what we need to access and adjust for the reset. To reset the oil life, press and hold the Set/CLR button or the check button, which is usually on the end of your turn signal lever or on the steering wheel. A message will then appear, asking you to confirm if you want to reset the oil life. Use the arrows to select Yes, then press the Set/CLR or check button again to confirm your choice. After confirming, your display should now show the oil life reset to 100%. This simple process helps you keep track of your maintenance schedule accurately, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Remember to perform this reset after every oil change to ensure your Cruze system is always up to date. For more helpful tips, as well as links to great deals on car accessories and the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.